को एक नई मेड इन इंडिया ब्रांड जो 3 साल पहले शुरू हुई। Today, Viva Foods is a household name and preferred taste across India. Viraj Bell, जो एक young and बहुत ambitious food manufacturer है, has managed to give the large multinationals a tough run for their money and actually make them sit up and take notice of Viva Foods. उन्होंने अपने sauces की taste Indian palate को suit करते बनाई है, making this one of the quickest growing cool startups ever. For as they say, yummy food is the ultimate aphrodisiac indeed. He's young, he's dashing. He represents the new emerging Indians. All of them out to conquer and make it at any given cost. Our guest this week is the big idea. He is Viraj Bell of Viva Foods. Hello,
Hi.
Viraj.
Thank
Lovely
you for having me.
Have you on our big idea.
Thank you so much.
और आप काफी young हो और बहुत I think सालों के बाद हम food special कर रहे हैं.
Thank you so much.
So-
That I have to, show this to my wife that you still feel I'm young, so that's a bit problem.
well,
Thank
you look young.
Thank you so
and
much.
it's wonderful to do a nice foodie special on the big idea.
Thanks a lot.
अच्छा हमारे साथ share कर लीजिए ये जो journey जो है. Fun Foods is a household name and brand.
Absolutely.
और उसके बाद Viva आ गया.
Actually, उसके बीच में और भी कुछ था, which is a part of the story which nobody knows about. So my family, we sold Fun Foods in 2008.
Correct.
I stayed back with the company for about a year.
अच्छा.
And after a year, I decided I want to do something on my own.
हाँ हाँ.
And towards the end of Fun Foods, we were supplying a lot of restaurant chains, a lot of sauces. So in your mind, आप सोचने लग जाते हो यार restaurants तो मैं ही चला रहा हूँ. So why not open my own chain of restaurants?
Yeah, I like that.
So I opened a chain of restaurants called Pocketful.
अच्छा.
And that is when you learn कि यार restaurants में sauce is a very small part and you are cut to size. And
I love it.
so
Good
I-
metaphor.
yeah,
Because
so-
बुरा मत मानिए, but Pocketful I don't think really anybody's heard of or.
That's exactly why you haven't
wow.
heard of it, because it never did well. So we did
Achha.
have 5-6
You're honest,
restaurants.
you're
Yeah, I'm honest because
Huh.
what that taught me is what is very useful
Why
now.
you've reached where you have today?
Or trying to reach where I am supposed to reach.
नहीं, but why would you say? What would you say is the reason कि नहीं हुआ?
So I did everything wrong from day one. My first restaurant was more than 100-seater in Lajpat Nagar. The restaurant chain looked like a McDonald's or a KFC, but we used to sell these beautiful products. Yeah,
Okay, you're honest.
I'm
Viraj.
honest.
I like it.
Thank you. So we used to sell these, pockets made out of naan. Something which we developed.
Pitas?
But
Pitas.
a pita which tasted like naan. It took me about 9 months to develop it. It was fantastic. It was very tasty.
इसलिए Pocketful का नाम.
Pocketful. It was a pocket full of, say, butter chicken pocket, shahi paneer pocket, kadai paneer pocket.
That's super cool.
The concept was amazing. I think it was ahead of its times and probably not best for India. It was amazing for, say, Middle East or, Canada. But here when what I didn't realize कि जब butter chicken naan मिल रहे तो मैं जाके fast food butter chicken naan in a pocket क्यों खाऊं? Maybe that was and when you first restaurant Lajpat Nagar 100-seater, I think that
Yeah,
went.
इसमें थोड़ा logic
Then I-
ढीला है
then I-
कि लाजपत नगर क्यों और 100 सीटर क्यों.
गीले से ज़्यादा gravy है. So, then then I got desperate. The second restaurant I opened in Tagore Garden, then Kirti Nagar.
But you didn't give up, Viraj.
I didn't give up, it's
How many restaurants later when you kind of said,
when I gave up.
I love it, I love
think
it.
5-6 restaurants later, we left one lease in between, burnt a lot of cash. But it's like I
How was
haven't.
the experience?
It was amazing. I mean, it was desperate.
Okay.
There were times I used to be really scared. How will we make the salary bill tomorrow? So it was really scary from that point of time. But
और कितने साल था वो years जो आपने ये
it was 3 years, but 3 really long years.
wow.
So running a loss-making entity is.
And at a young age, and
Yeah.
did it bring you down? I mean, how did
Oh,
you
yeah.
bounce back?
I bounced back. It's going to sound really funny, but I bounced back a lot because my first son was born around the same time. So I had a stress buster to go back home to. And that's how I
That's
honestly
sweet.
bounced
That's
back.
sweet, Viraj, because I mean, it's always some element or the other that just gets you through.
Yeah,
You know,
so,
okay.
that was there. My wife was obviously very
Supportive.
Very, very supportive.
I think बिना wife का support तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Definitely, yeah.
कुछ चीजों में it has to be.
Yes.
अच्छा, फिर Viva कैसे आ गया? How did it all unfold? with you?
Viva is actually my mother's name.
Okay,
Um,
nice. Okay.
And my mom is actually responsible for a large part of the work ethic I have, a large part of the food knowledge that I have.
Okay.
And
And I must ask you, sorry, I'm interrupting. आप mummy को credit दे रही हो? Why not your father? Because generally it's from the father.
no, my father, actually my father, everything I know about food, and if I may say so, I know a lot.
Yeah.
But everything has been taught, by my dad. So I think I'm a good mixture of the right,
the right
qualities
combination,
of both
right.
of them. But the work ethic and the technical knowledge. My dad has a lot of firsts in the world. Probably he was the first person to launch eggless mayonnaise in the whole world.
Oh,
I
that's
think so.
interesting,
That's what
yeah.
we're, that's what we believe in. The other thing is when we started Biba, we were very clear that we don't want to compete with Fun Foods. Biba needed to stand for something which has never been done before in India.
Yeah.
Today, there is a retail face, what you see of Biba, we're present in every shop across the country. But other than that, we are also one of India's largest food service companies. So all the
I
sources
think people
Yeah.
don't know that, yeah.
Yeah, people don't know that, and
knowledge
yeah,
is
so
missing,
so most of the people who seeing your show, they would have eaten our products, they wouldn't know it. So all the sauces of all the big boys like Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Dunkin' Donuts, etc., 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 they're manufactured by us. And in retail, what I wanted to do was do something which has never been done. I'm really proud of the fact that a small Indian company came, and the products that we're doing, they're not a first in the country, they're a first in the world. Let me explain. A typical mayonnaise has 65 to 70% fat. Our mayo has 22% fat. And that too pure olive oil. So
that's
it's
interesting.
very healthy. So now a low-fat olive oil mayonnaise has been done before in the world.
Yeah.
But a low-fat olive oil mayonnaise in a 100% vegetarian format has never been done before. And we're the first company to do it. At least not that I know of. Maybe there's one company doing it in some remote corner of the world, not that I have heard of. And
Very interesting about the mayonnaise.
yeah.
But we have to take a little break. I want to get back to that. That's quite fascinating. Folks, एक छोटा सा break लेंगे. Please don't go away. Back again in conversations with the young scion of Viba Foods Services. Acha, it's so interesting what you said about mayonnaise and the components involved. But I want to a little bit backtrack. Viraj, आपने ये Viba brand जो है, इतनी जल्दी कैसे build किया? It could not have been easy.
It was
build
obviously
it
not
from
easy.
scratch.
It was not easy. We're in an industry which is heavily competitive. There are lots and lots of competition, both Indian and multinationals. But I know this does not sound perfect on a business channel, but the basic principle was give the best quality product at the best price.
Amazing.
You can't go wrong from that basic principle, and that is what we stuck to. Our entire B2B business, the industry, I must say, has been extremely kind to us. All the big boys that I mentioned, sourcing all their sources from us. I mean, obviously, quality is a given. They will audit our plants twice a year. Their international teams will come and audit our plants. We were, I think, India's youngest company to get ISO 22000 certification. So all these things.
So
are
these ingredients are a very
they are given. But beyond that also, it's not easy to be in this space. And our R&D teams work very closely with the NPD teams of all the the multinational chains. So for example, Domino's is designing a pizza.
Okay.
They will tell us that guys, we are designing this pizza, and this is the kind of sauce we're looking for. And then our team will work with their team and we'll develop a sauce jointly.
So therefore your R&D team has to be really, really edgy and
oh yes,
cool.
edgy, cool, and ahead of the curve. We always have to see
I like that,
this
ahead of the
trend
curve.
has to come to India, so we should be the company responsible for bringing it into
तो आप
India.
actually बोल रहे कि आप anticipate करते हैं क्या trends होएगा?
Yes,
How do you
absolutely.
do that? That's very fascinating. आप कैसे?
Actually, it's not that complicated. We spend a lot of time on the internet, to be honest.
Oh, interesting.
You travel a lot, so when you're traveling, you see, for example, this is hot in Singapore.
Okay.
Singapore has a small, not a small, but a decent sized Indian population, so that might come to India. So, for example, a chipotle pepper.
I know that's American.
That's American,
Chipotle,
exactly.
Mexican,
South American peppers. So for our chipotle Southwest pepper, Southwest sauce, we are very clear कि अगर chipotle लेना है, तो we'll import it. We'll not fake it in India. We'll import it. So when you import the
फिर
chipotle pepper,
ingredients perfect है.
Exactly. So you can't make a Chipotle Southwest dressing without a Chipotle from the Southwest region,
वो
right?
जो flavor है.
वो
yeah,
flavor कभी आएगा
exactly.
नहीं. So Chipotle का flavor is like a hot, smoky flavor.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't compare it to a single malt, but you know, it's as
yes.
complicated as that. You have to be, you have to be careful about what pepper you're using for what sauce.
Right.
So a lot of work is done on which ingredient to source, where does that ingredient come from. We are working on a very interesting sauce. There's a pepper called Bhoot Jhulakia.
Okay.
So it is one of the world's spiciest peppers. It comes out of Assam.
Oh.
So we make a sauce called Bhoot Jhulakia sauce, you know.
Incredible.
So,
और नाम भी है.
उसका नाम हमने नहीं रखा. नाम ही Bhoot Jhulakia sauce है because it is as scary as a ghost, you know. Bhoot Jhulakia. So when we use it at the plant, the team over there has to wear gloves, goggles, because you can't even touch it by hand. It's that potent.
और taste क्या है?
Oh God. So when we are in our R&D, you know, when
Okay.
we are working with Bhoot Jhulakia sauce, I kid you not, when I go back home, all I want to do is eat, vanilla ice creams for 3 days because it burns everything that you.
My God. और क्या-क्या चीज़ में डालेगा ये भूत? भूत से जलन. It's just so
We are trying to make it as a dipping sauce for fried snacks. It can be chicken or veggies. With that sort of a thing. So we will put a lot of Bhoot Jhulakia, but also the ancillary taste has to be, tasty.
Yeah.
Nobody
The
likes
back
only,
end and the
yeah,
front
exactly,
end
yeah, exactly.
merging with each other.
Exactly.
How complicated is this, or how easy is this particular industry? एक budding entrepreneur के लिए, I mean, आसान है food
मेरे लिए
industry
तो
में.
I am a budding entrepreneur.
आप बहुत modest हो, आप काफी modest
It wasn't easy. Let me be very honest. It's still not easy. We're not reached the place where we wanted to reach. We have big ambitions, but it's not been easy, frankly. First couple of years, I've grayed this much. This is because of this. It wasn't easy, but the initial stresses are really different from the current stresses. The initial stresses were, we've got a huge overhead. How will we pay the monthly bill? That was the stress. I've been really blessed. We've got a wonderful set of investors who are,
outside investment.
Outside investments. We've got one investment company based out of Singapore and one based out of US. And they've been excellent partners. They've not only been investors, but partners, I would say. So that was a very, very important part in the whole
business model है.
And they are not, they don't interfere in the day-to-day running at all. But they've been partners, not investors, which is fantastic, but saying that there were times right in the beginning that, with our aggressive plans, you do tend to stumble a bit, I remember our very first consignment, very first consignment. It was a large consignment, and I was out on a holiday with my wife, and while I was at the holiday, I got the consignment left our plant, and I left for a holiday at the same day.
Presuming
that, okay, life is now settled. And while we were at the holiday, I got a call saying, the entire consignment has been rejected on quality grounds. Now, we were very sure that we cannot have a bad quality product, but so I came back from the first holiday. So second holiday, we said we'll go close by. We went to Jaipur.
I don't believe it.
And second holiday as well, we had to come back because there was another problem at the plant, not with the quality, but something else went. So we came back. Luckily, Jaipur ke half pe raste mein Imran aata mera plant. So it was very perfect, so we could stop back on the way. That was also my son's first visit to the plant. So
Interesting. Your son has brought in a lot of the milestones. So basically, आप बोल रहे तो it's just not easy.
It wasn't easy. I mean,
और investment capital भी काफी है.
हाँ जी, it's high. It's high. We had alongside the two investors, we obviously retained the majority, but alongside the two investors, the investment was high.
Good. We'll take another break.
Yes.
Folks, break time. Please don't go away. Back again in conversations with the young scion of Viva Foods. अच्छा, so आप Viva को इतने आगे पहुंच गया है इतने जल्दी से, आगे क्या सोच है, प्रेजेंट और आगे?
First of all, अभी आगे पहुंच गए, but बहुत आगे जाने. That is A. B. Today we are in B2B, a very well-established company. We are supplying to every QSR chain, fast food chain that you can think of. In most of the cases, we are the main suppliers. In retail today, I'm very proud of the fact that this young new baby company today we've got a national distribution network. We're present in every city and every town of the entire country. We are very proud of the fact that from our Horeca network we give access to a world-class mayonnaise to a bakery close to your house. The same access which a big MNC chain will get. So at least in our small role, I know it sounds wrong, but we're very proud of the fact that India is a place where entrepreneurs
and a
really,
made in India.
Yes, made in India, eggless mayonnaise delivered to your doorstep. It's nice.
Oh, that's really a moment of pride. A made in India brand.
Yes. I mean,
Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible.
So the made in India brand, we're also very, proud of the fact that a made in India company. I mean, I know it's wrong to say keep saying made in India, but I'm really proud of the fact that we were the first company to launch, many firsts in the small journey. So I'm really proud of that.
It's a feeling of pride, exactly. अच्छा, आपके opinion में वो जो मैगी का controversy था, आपके लिए कोई, was it a wake up call for you or for your company, or
actually frankly
backlash?
I am still confused about the Maggi controversy because like everybody else I really don't know what happened. In our case we were slightly blessed because we were not following, or we do not follow our own quality procedures. We follow the quality procedures of, say, Domino's International,
Very
KFC
interesting.
International.
तो आपके जो norms है international.
Yeah, so our product is to be approved by the biggest global names. So by default we are made to work to their standards. So we have always cleared any samples that have ever been picked up by the agencies. And the Maggi controversy, frankly, it's beyond me. I can't really comment on because I don't have the entire knowledge.
आगे क्या सोच है?
So Viva, we are just in fact about to launch our range 2. It will hit the market in a few days. We're launching, so Viva stands for innovation and quality. We are launching a tomato ketchup, which is going to be a slightly mass product than what we've been doing.
In what way? क्या taste है?
So how do you innovate on a tomato ketchup,
right?
So what we decided that we will give India the most premium ketchup India has ever seen. So for example, the leading global name of ketchup that you can think of, our tomato, we've got almost 40% more tomato content than them. So for the first time we'll get a really tomato ketchup.
So a
robust taste of ketchup with
burst of
tomato, with the spices that India likes. Because we cater to the Indian taste, but we, our aspirations are to be a leading Indian company. We're not catering to American taste or European taste. So a spice mix like thoda wo long cinnamon jo Indians ko अच्छे लगते हैं, so that will be slightly there. Those things. Then we're launching a garlic chili sauce, a chili oregano sauce. Imli sauce, which I'm really proud of. It's called tangy tamarind sauce, and it's actually वो कहते हैं ना नानी याद आ जाएगी. वो जो मेरी नानी जैसे बनाती थी, it is that kind of a sauce. So we'll be
मुझे ये पूछना है, interesting आप जो कह रही हो कि ये जब sauces का आप describe कर रही हो, they're actually hardcore Indian sauces. So in the end, it's really just about the Indianized palate.
We're very proud of being an Indian company and catering to India. We've got no qualms about being a global MNC or that. I mean, we're not there, and we're a very young company to even have those dreams. So for example, tomato ketchup is a mother sauce. All the other 3 sauces I mentioned, so tangy tamarind is Indian cuisine, garlic chili is Desi Chinese, and chili oregano is Desi Italian, right? So it's not the hardcore, authentic Italian thing. It's like a Desi Italian, and we're catering to that.
Very interesting. अच्छा, आप काफी young हो, great energy, great enthusiasm. आप क्या advice दे सकते हो for all the young Indians out there? And the show goes abroad as well, the international.
Yes, I know. Frankly, I am still taking a lot of advice from a lot of people right now. But what I have learned is that my parents gave me this advice, and I know you've heard it 100 times. So if you enjoy what you're doing, it's not really work. And it is going, you don't become an entrepreneur if you love your sleep. You will have sleepless nights.
I love that. That's a good one. You're honest.
Yeah, I am honest, and you
like
will wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and, say, my God, aaj kya karna hai? So, yeah, that happens. And if you're okay with that, then...
That's the downside. What's the upside?
Upside is I'm here with you. I mean, who would have thought that, 3 years into this, I'll be giving this interview. But upside is, I mean, today Viva employs a few hundred people directly, indirectly even more so. So you generate that kind of employment. I have the honor to work with one of the best teams in the country and who are all passionate about making this brand grow. You know, I have to be passionate with the ownership. It comes with the ownership, but the team is fantastic. I love working with them every day, and it's actually something I genuinely look forward to. Spending time in the it is absolutely spending time in the R&D, the plant.
What would you say, on an ending note, has been the USP for you, Viraj, that so quickly you've built this brand? I mean, it's quite extraordinary.
Again, you know, it's a business channel, but I'll still say God has been really kind to me. The industry has been really kind. They have opened doors. We have worked with, you know, the biggest names. The industry has been really kind to us. It's a given we maintain all their standards, but yet to give chance to a newcomer has been really, really great. So the industry has been really kind, and the single focus that giving the consumer the best quality product at the best price. I mean, that is the single point which drives me.
Amazing. It's really just been such a pleasure to have you on our Big Idea. We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
We hope you've enjoyed this very foodie special on The Big Idea. He's young, he's inspiring, and truly self-motivated. We wish you all the best and catch you again next week.